I would like to say that it starts over here. What do we call this part? Shoulders. What do we call this? Hips? And then the feet. So think about this. Okay, head, shoulders, hip, and toes.
Before the tournament, during practice round, when you used to play good before you had this in your swing, how do you get yourself back to that?
I think it happens to all of us, right? I mean, not every day is perfect, not every round is perfect. And so what I like to do is when I warm up, hopefully I can do the same warm up and find the rhythm. But if I don't have the rhythm, and like you said, if you're pulling the shot, I would just play with the pull that day. And then I will go to the range and then I will work on it afterwards. I find it very difficult to work on my swing on the course.
So it's so nice if you have a bogey-free round.
I know, it doesn't happen often, but when it does, it's like, yay.
I like to play lots of different sports, and I also want to get better at my golf. So how do I do that while I want to play other sports?
I think it's really important at an early age to try different sports because you don't know necessarily what you're going to like when you get a little older. And I think other sports teaches you other things, especially if you play like football. There's a team event to it. It's fun to have friends and teammates, so I think it's really good that you do that. Don't feel like you have to hurry. You should just have fun. Go and hit some shots, and for now, enjoy every sport and learn, figure out what you like.